Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I am coming at you from Denver. So if you haven't seen it already, I did vlog this little quick Denver trip that my husband and I have been on. We really are here for one of my coworkers' weddings, but we had childcare because my in-laws are watching the kids over the past few days. So we decided to come a little early and check out what Denver has to offer. So I hadn't spent much time here in Denver before, so it's been fun kind of exploring. We did check out some kind of nice hiking spots, and I believe their best mall is where I went to, where they have some luxury stores. Honestly, it's not as large as Northern California, but it's fun to kind of shop on vacation and have a memory of your trip. So that's exactly what I did. Definitely check out the Denver vlog because I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I like in terms of packing for my hand carry, and I want to share with you guys the new kind of shearling teddy Lululemon belt bag I've been loving and have been getting a ton of compliments on. So I will tell you more about that in that vlog. Anyway, let's just get on to this. So this is a little bit of an unexpected purchase. I know that Louis Vuitton is probably going to have more price increases. At the time I'm filming this, they haven't yet had their fall expected price increase, but that's really what got me to buy this. Honestly, sales tax here, I believe I was told was about 8.9%, so pretty high. Just a shade less than what it is in Northern California. So there's really not a huge savings when you shop luxury here, but I wanted to get in a little bit of shopping before the dreaded price increase. So that's what I did. So I got two items. So the first one I'll kind of share with you is in this smaller box here, and I will share with you guys price points. Again, this is all retail price points, so nothing really unexpected, but I know you guys kind of like that information. So this is an item I've had my eye on for a while. Obviously it's a small leather good. I just hadn't purchased it, so finally I said before this thing goes up in price again, I need to just do it. So here is what it looks like. It comes in a little drawer. And I will reveal my new SLG. So this is finally the 6-ring key holder. No doubt you've seen this before. I got it in the classic monogram, and I got it with the gold hardware. I have wanted this for so long. I do use a version that I just got from Amazon that has kind of a Burberry-like check print. It's really the same design and it's very functional. I've used it for years, but I think it's time that I upgraded. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up. So it has, of course, the 6 key slots, as you can see there. It has the brown leather on the inside, and this one is made in France. And you can, of course, put some cards in the back here if you'd like, so it kind of does double duty in that way. And the SKU tag I have here, as well as the materials tag. So this is called the Multi-Clay 6 Monogram. Here's the SKU tag if you're interested. So it does just have the basic 6 key rings, and I believe it'll hold all of my office keys. And then for my key fob, I'm thinking I may just have to leave it hanging out like this. That's what I do with my key kind of clay that I have now, and I think it works just fine. So I got to play around a little bit with this. As you can see, I did get it hot stamped, which is really fun. I do like hot stamping these items that I know I'm going to keep forever. So I put my initials in gold foiling, as you can see there. It was really easy to do. I chose that location because I felt as if that would be the site that is least likely to rub against keys, because this side will fold down and this part will go on top. So I think that spot would be protected the best. So that's why I went for that location. So yeah, really happy. I finally got this item to add to my SLG collection. It's something I'm going to be using every day for sure. Okay guys, so before I forget, I do want to share with you guys the price point for that 6 keyring holder. At the time of this video, which is October 2022, you are watching this in the future though, because I haven't had a chance to edit these videos so quickly. But at this date, it is retailing in the US for $325. All right, on to the second purchase here, which is definitely more of an impulse buy, as I mentioned, but an item that I had my eye on for a little bit and just hadn't really decided on it, but they had one there, so I decided to go for it. Wrapped beautifully here. Let me go ahead and unbox it. All right, so really what I went in there for was to see the new cognac Empreinte leather pieces. I had my eye on the Speedy and also the Felicie, so I was hoping to look at those. They did have that beautiful cognac Empreinte leather, but they had it in the on-the-go tote, and as you all probably know, I do own the Monogram on-the-go tote already, so I didn't think I need another big tote like that. So they didn't have it in the Felicie or the Speedy that I would have otherwise picked up. So that's the problem, because then I started looking around and trying different things, and they just got this piece in. So I was able to try it on, and I just couldn't pass it up. So it is pretty small, as you will see here. But I was able to pick up the adorable micro Mètis. So this is kind of a crazy purchase because of how small it is. I have never seen this in person. I've seen a few videos on this and of course seen this on the website, but I didn't know how it was going to be on. So I was excited that they actually had it. In fact, they told me that they just got a shipment in this morning, so I was pretty lucky about that. Although I do think this is still available on the website actively if you're interested. But as you all know, this is the micro size of the original Pochette Mètis, which I do own and love. But this is the micro version. I honestly have not been into micro bags because I don't think they're very practical, obviously. But I just love how this looks and the make of it. It's just adorable that I just couldn't pass it up. And I do think it'd be versatile in terms of being able to wear it to more dressy functions as well because it has a gold chain. So I decided to go for it. Sometimes you just go for things a little bit on impulse, of course, when you're on vacation. So I think that's partially what happened, but super, super adorable. Let me show you the SKU tag. And it has the fabric here in terms of the fabrication card. So there's vachetta leather on the trim, it's a textile interior, and a coated canvas fabric upper, as you all know. So if you are a Louis Vuitton fan like I am, you do know that they recently did release the kind of middle size of the Pochette Mètis family, which is the East-West version, which has a shoulder strap, which is with the gold chain, and then it has the crossbody strap. I did see that in the store as well and tried it on. For me, that looked a little bit too similar to my original Pochette Mètis that I didn't think I wanted to go for that version. But if you don't have the original and are looking for this look, that would be a great option because it does hold more, it will hold your phone, and there is a beautiful chain strap as well. But I really love how this one can go crossbody. So as you all know, this lock here is the original Pochette Mètis lock, reminiscent of their trunk style locks. And this flap opens up. It's a very simple style. It has a single gold chain here, which is removable, as you can see. So it has the tag in the back here. And then there are two microfiber lined pockets. And that's basically it. So my phone definitely will not fit in here, but a card holder will, my key fob will. So besides the phone, it holds your other essentials, honestly, but it's just so adorable. I just love the look of this particular micro bag. You can use this little handle as well. It's in vachetta, but of course it's not super practical to carry it around like this, but it is kind of like a little mini wallet. But I just love the chain this comes with. It's this beautiful gold link chain, which you can also use on your other bags. And it has the little clasp like this, spring ring clasps. But it's just a super sparkly, shiny gold chain, which I think dresses the bag up a lot. And it looks really nice just as an accessory. I mean, that's really what the point of this bag is. I think it's not meant to be super practical, but it's an accessory and kind of like jewelry for your outfit. I think it really would make it super, super pretty. So Here's what it looks like with the chain on. I just love the length of this crossbody look. So let me just quickly try it on for you guys so you can get a sense of how it looks on me. So here's where it hangs. And again, I'm about 5'3", 5'4" in height. And this chain is not adjustable in case you're curious. So it does hit really at, I would say about the top of my hip, maybe a little bit lower, the hip bone. So in case you're curious, if you're tall, this may hit a little bit too high for your liking, just putting that out there. But for me, I thought this was adorable. So it hits exactly where I like to have my crossbodies hit. And again, I just love this gold link strap. So I'm going to try to use this for the rest of my stay here, and I think it'll really go well with some outfits I have, and I can wear it out to dinner and not be so casual like a lot of my other crossbody bags and my original pochette Mètis. I think it's kind of a nice little kind of going out, but you can also dress it down and look really casual. Definitely excuse my outfit. This is the outfit I wore when we went hiking. We went to the Red Rock Park and Amphitheater, which is super cool. And I did a little bit of hiking, believe it or not. So that's why I'm dressed like this. And I did walk into the stores exactly dressed like this. I was a little embarrassed, but I think there's definitely more of a laid back, relaxed vibe around here. So I don't think I stood out at all. But I mean, this is what I wore. I just went straight from that park to the mall. All right, so here is my new addition. I'm so excited to start using her. This is one that, who knows how long I will have in my collection because it honestly is not practical. But again, I think it's a great little accessory, and I do have a lot more casual bags because, as I mentioned many times before, my lifestyle is very casual. On the weekends and evenings really are when I carry a lot of my luxury or designer bags because I don't tend to take these to work at all. So during those times, usually I'm with one of my or more of my 4 kids, and having to hold hands, hold bags, hold different things. I like to be hands-free, but I really have a casual lifestyle, so I don't have a lot of bags that will easily transition to a little bit more of a dressy look. So I think this one really fit the bill with this gold chain strap, which is why I really, really liked it. And I want to try to expand my more evening type of luxury bag wardrobe. I think something like the Felicia, as I mentioned earlier, in Empreinte would be a nice addition to that type of little niche in my bag collection. So I'm looking forward to kind of expanding in that way a little bit more. And I think this one is a perfect little hybrid type of bag. Let me know what you think of this bag. Do you think it's a total crazy purchase, or is it something that, would kind of make sense for you as well? I'm always curious to hear. In case you're wondering, the price point here, this beauty is $1,900 currently in October 2022 in the US. So a little bit of hefty price point, I admit, for this kind of bag. But I mean, there's a lot of craftsmanship here, and it's not just a standard little bucket crossbody bag. There are the 2 compartments, there's a lot of detail with the leather work, and of course the gold chain strap as well. So I think you do get a decent amount for that price point in terms of the craftsmanship. Similar to other small leather goods, oftentimes the price points of those are relatively high because they require more craftsmanship. So I think this is true for this bag as well. So I will test it out. I'll let you know, of course, as I always do, in a full review once I've gotten a chance to kind of figure out if this little bag will work for me. But I'm super excited. I finally got my hands on her. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing really, really well, enjoying the beautiful weather as we transition into cooler months. And I'm super thankful and happy that you guys have been supporting me on my channel and watching these kinds of videos. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.